Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, TS Galaxy 1. I'm joined by Mr. Chochi. It's Sebs.
I'm Mr. Steve Kompela.
Indeed.
With classes.
Yes, sir.
That's interesting. But anyways, the very same Steve Kompela at that time when he was doing Kaizer Chiefs shirt, he once said, have no expectations to avoid disappointment. Offer yourself selflessly.
Yeah.
The one above shall do what's right.
Okay.
They didn't listen to him.
Yeah.
They didn't listen to him.
Yeah.
He said, have no expectation to avoid disappointment.
Yes.
They had expectations. Here's the disappointment.
Yeah.
Wafi una BMZanzi, but quality coach. He will dethrone Sundowns.
Yes.
He will take Cubs away from Pirates.
Yes.
Nabuzo win league. Nabu uyapega. Mthengele ngama player, wathenga wonke ama defender, ngazi udefender yini. Thenga wonke ama defender, wonke mfethu. Bathu uyapheka, abanye bathu pheka amatshe, bathu uyapheka. Ngeke. Apheka ulutho nomjita Sibo. But anyways, have no expectation to have a disappointment. They had them. Look at what's happening. Now they're having an expectation of Rorobata win a Nedbank Cup. We will see. There's no way they're going to win that thing. What a downgrade from watching the quality of Tito Maswanganyi from there to watching Martin and Sereno and Lilepo, man. Watching from Marco to watching Cross. Like, imagine watching Nabi, from watching Jose Rivero quality football to watching this useless football of Nabi. What were we watching this side? I was just, I'm disappointed with the Polokwane municipality for taking the Orlando Pirates to the old and bringing this useless team to this new Peter Mokaba Stadium. Same ticket, 6 rand. It was not worth to watch 6 rand at this game. Sure. Even 5 rand was enough to watch this game. There was no need for us to pay 6 rand. Imagine just watching that nonsensical football. 6 rand, imagine. But anyways, let's give credit to the coach who's coaching. This team, TS Galaxy, they've been doing very well. Steve, let me tell you about the two teams in South Africa that they always build each and every season. Stellenbosch sell players each and every season. They rebuild, they become a good team. TS Galaxy always sell players away. They rebuild, they become a good team. Yeah. Chiefs, 10 years you won't rebuild. The whole 10 years Kafela rebuild. What are you rebuilding? But anyways, TS Galaxy, they're doing a very job, Steve. At the back, they were not tactically disciplined or defensively disciplined, Steve. There were some errors that they made and blunders that could have led to Kaizer Chiefs winning this game. Yeah. Their goalkeeper, yes, is good, but anyways, the defense, this guy, Mpunjan or something, making mistakes, passing the ball at the back, to lead into the goal, Steve. Yeah. You are killing our hearts, we are here, we have bet. You are making those kind of mistakes, Steve. But anyways, the quality of Sibelebele was not there. You know, Sibelebele from the previous games, he has been giving quality against Sundowns, against Orlando Pirates. They've been giving that quality, Steve. Unfortunately, he was suspended or injured for this game. I don't know much about it, Steve. Yes. But what you go to the middle, you say about the quality of Kikendo. He didn't give us anything today, but he played very well, leading the team into crucial spaces, wailing. There were creativity there. Anyways, the likes of just forgot the name of the guy, but never creativity and everything. That's why you saw the coach sapping them out. I mean, you go look at this player. I don't know his name, but I know that I just know that his name and which Vich. Yeah. That boy's quality striker, Steve. Go forward, he was dangerous, Steve. Those passes he got them. Unfortunately, conversion rate was low, Steve. Because never the 4-4-2, Steve. Kumana Victor Lutolo, who Kaizer Chiefs wanted to destroy him, but unfortunately, Mamkize thought very well of not giving him, and he gave Skukuni at that time. Unfortunately, there were some errors that were made. We released him to TS Galaxy, which is doing very well, getting those chances. But unfortunately, the conversion rate is low. They need to just work on their conversion rate. You know, South African football, we are bad in terms of conversion rates, Steve. But anyway, it's a good team in TS Galaxy. I believe in this team. This team, I believe we are going to, as Kukuni, we are going to have a tough time fighting for that top 3 position. It's no longer going to be easy fighting for that top 3 position and that position of going to KF, Steve. You go into Kaizer Chiefs, Steve, we find Vuma, who has not been playing very well in other previous games, but he's a good goalkeeper from the development of Kaizer Chiefs. I believe this guy, if they just trust in him and just believe in him, he will do very well. Good defending, just blunders and everywhere, Steve. You know, Steve, you might hate Junior Kanye. You might go and say shit about Junior Kanye everywhere you like. But please, when you listen to that man, sometimes listen with him with an aim to learn.
Yes.
You will learn from that guy, Junior Kanye.
No,
Junior Kanye, he said last game, Miguel, Dove, scam. Scam, say. Scam. Nothing there. Bamorora. What happened today? Wakena, Dove, just 1 minute, not even 1 second. He didn't touch the ball. The ball that he touched is a goal. Junior Kanye said it, bruh.
Prove this deal.
Problem, they don't want to listen to him.
Yeah.
Problem, they don't want to listen to him. But the gods of Junior Kanye just listened to it. They just showed him here. But what do you say about I don't wanna insult people. I don't wanna insult people. But anyway, by the words of Scott Mapuma, canceling.
Yeah.
Canceling.
Yeah.
Anyways, it's a innocent decision. You question the intelligence and the emotional intelligence of Abu Sisi and Abu coach Nabi for seeing that a person is injured. He goes out. You see the person is injured. He's limping. You wanna put him back at a game.
Sure.
Injured. He's limping. Put back at a game. Are you that desperate to put players in the game?
Man.
Are you that desperate of not having players to play a player who's injured?
Like
what are you saying about the career of that player? Pella, he get there, he get another injury, he's out, Steve. Owoni, it's Miguel or Miguel. He was limping, then he fall down, he sleeps, bruh. Even Bernard Parker, a former Kaizer Chiefs player, was so angry. They were the one who were frustrated. The bench of TS Galaxy were the one who were frustrated to go and tell those people, those nonsensical Nabis and nonsensical Sisis, that you can't play a person who's injured. You can't put back a person who's injured. There are many players and the sub is still available to get in.
Yes.
But anyways, what do you say about this thing? Another nonsensical thing from the fans, Steve, every time, Steve, today I'm sure there's no fan that came to the camera and told you that Mart played very well today. They didn't even give him credit. Same as the game at Sundowns, they didn't come to the camera and give him credit, Steve. They always go to the point of favoritism and everything. When Mudu Shabalala does a mistake, when Villagas does a mistake, they won't criticize the boys.
Gotcha.
They won't criticize them. But Chivaviro does one mistake or nothing, they will criticize them. Mart, one mistake in they will criticize them. Today they want to talk about the quality of Mart. They won't. But anyways, rumors are saying we want him back. Yes, we want him back. Ramata back to our team. Because of Eds Kukuni, we know we're gonna get the original Mart. Because of they saw the original Mart, the quality Mart that was produced at Orlando Pirates. They took him from Skukuni. They destroyed him right now. He's nothing. They call him a cow right now. They call him a cow. A whole Bafana player at the time Ayakundo. But anyways, Tiwo, Ukayako Shopo Warekanama, Tiwo. Nama, it only be sound nice or maybe smell nice or taste nice if there's a good cooker. If there's a good cooker. There's him, quality player Sibu. He was winning man of the match for NFD while he was playing for Skukuni. Being called Kobo Kosafa, scored a goal for Kosafa. But anyway, Chiefs, he had destroyed the players. There's nothing we can say, Steve. Kosara Bolela, Babatar cancel. They can cancel us by the way of Cosmapuma. Canceling. Don't care who says what. That team is finished, Steve. It's done, Chiefs. And I'm sorry to Kaizer Chiefs fans. Nabi said it. Bobby said it. Coach is not going anywhere. Yeah. He said it loud and clear, coach is not going anywhere. So I'm feeling very, 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 very sorry for them, Steve. I'm feeling very, very sorry for them. Give man of the match to the coach of TS Galaxy, Steve.
That's it.
Tango.
Thank you.